Understanding the phrase, laundry money. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting English phrase, laundry money. You might have heard it in movies, news, or read it in books. It's a phrase that's both intriguing and important to understand. So, let's dive in and demystify what laundry money really means. First, let's break down the phrase. Laundry typically refers to washing clothes, and money, as you know, is the currency used for transactions. So, literally, laundry money might make you think of money used for laundry. However, in English, phrases often have meanings beyond their literal interpretation. That's exactly the case here. In reality, laundry money is a colloquial term for money laundering. Money laundering is the illegal process of making large amounts of money generated by criminal activity, such as drug trafficking or terrorist funding, appear to have come from a legitimate source. The dirty money is put through a cycle of transactions or washed to make it look clean. This phrase is often used in news reports, crime dramas, and legal discussions. For example, the police investigation revealed that the suspect was involved in laundry money through his businesses. It's crucial to understand that this phrase is tied to criminal activity and is not used in everyday conversation about actual laundry or routine financial transactions. Understanding phrases like laundry money helps in comprehending news, movies, and books more accurately. It also highlights the richness and complexity of the English language, where words can have different meanings based on the context. This is especially important for English language learners to grasp the nuances of the language. I hope this video has helped clarify the meaning of laundry money and has added a new phrase to your English vocabulary. Remember, language learning is not just about words, but also about the context and culture behind them. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.